When you go to our frame designer, you're initially going to be hit with these three options. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to design a collage frame. Once you select collage frame, it's going to bring you right to the number of frame openings that you can choose from. With this drop-down menu, you can see we've provided a bunch of different layouts for you. These are all completely customizable. They go all the way up to 13 openings right here in our 9+ section. For the purpose of this video, let's design a 2-opening frame. Next is our art options. This is where you can upload your files that you want to use in your design. So let's select 2 art prints that we want to use. Open. Once they're uploaded, you can click into them and they will automatically add to your art openings. You can also crop them here if you so decided. You can move around the cropping window. Next, we move on to our paper type. I want to go with art paper for this. Art size is where you can edit the art openings. So we're in our opening 1, 8 by 10. Maybe I want this to be 11 by 14. Opening 2, I want to make it the same, 11 by 14. Maybe I change my mind and I want to go back to this templated size, so I would hit reset to template size for both openings. And we're basically starting from scratch there. Another feature I want to show you is if you want to change this to say 5 by 7 and you want to apply it to all other sizes, you can click into copy size to others and hit apply. And it will resize every opening in your collage frame. Frame style, obviously here we can pick our frame style. I'm going to go Ashford Satin Black. Formatting, this is where we can really play and have some fun. So first we can play with some of our Matboard sizing. So here we have our outer margin. This is going to be right here along the outside of our art prints. Maybe I want it 2 inches. For inner spacing, this is referring to, the technical term is called the bridge, and it's what is happening in between your 2 images. So say I want 1 inch, or maybe I want it to be 2 inches. Moving down to our Matboard color options, we have 3 different ways to choose a color here. Our recommended is going to pull colors from your selected image. If you want to choose another image, you can do so. And here we can play around. Our classic tab is going to bring you to a pre-selected number of colors. We've really run the gamut here to brights and bolds and pastels, neutral colors. Our color picker is going to let you pick any color from your art. So say I want to do a neutral color. I know this works perfectly because I selected it right to my art. Again, if you want to choose a different print to select your color from, you can do that here. I'm kind of feeling something more neutral for this one. Beautiful. Cover type, I'm going to go non-glare and add to cart.